camp and Chabia last week made a two and him say Shatawali Echo should be Shatterfest UK na a Ghana party in the park and an ya boom. But send a crowd no any audience ni puba no say Jumadi no ye cancel no na Samini'S so the nanko kwa party be London UK na sa party na ye party no boat mu inside the boat and an ye sa party no ena crowd that say Echo PM ne bi kura ni ticket eno mkura boat ntu pay puba na just say program no ye twentwen so organizers na nkasa ne cancel program no enti bi moja say me free me fie be 3 o'clock abetena mana bebo 8 na o ka try me say program ne maso so this sika mam e bi kra threaten say o ma nya sika na o ma nya mo bi
na dey ne course yam say Ghana for recently say o organize program be outside
na yen SMP I think say organizational problems e wo ho. Because if say a boat na ebia nipa 100 and 50 na befa, I don't think you should sell more than that. And as a woton kram pass will be nkra ticket ni so oba ho. Nti minim ni nti e be kwa ba ba manfo dwapa. So musika de so no voices ni be oyenko tie bi na yeto asematie.
Yentie bi mrais ya.
Be pa to ane. Na omudi di ye nyina achi no. O mo ase ya pam ye firi ho. So mo cancel. Ghana for the won let be bia ma ne yaka. Ye be die sika o. Sika de be jeta be bo bia. Ya da ase. Na mo mi so.
Ye mfa ye sika nche. We nti na mo ba be ya de ye se emba ye tie bedo. We ye mo la se mo ya de ye ma biem.
Ya me pesa be kan say. And na ya betra ha 3:30 about 3:30 na ye wo ha me ne me ma ne me sisters mo ekuofo about 3:30 na ye wo ha ya ti be betra ha ma mo ya mo si ye be ko inside 5 o'clock afa ye ko 5:30 6:30 afa 7:30 about 8 o'clock ya chen ya ko ya sabe pa ne ye se ye mpie na ye se kana mageno ma fe dia na eno die lie hina ne dia mo beji ya beji ye sika ye beji sika se mafia sika mayania sabulu say ye create mi bodua ye be kupu nyina makoma mo fa sa hwehwe me ma ye nipa 6 any ye twa any ye buy mo timi fie sika ni se mafia sika mayadia any ye be bom dua ye be bodua mo say yes
Matisa obize be bomu dua.
You bo nyina piem because
even time wasting.
And no cry.
We're wasting the time.
Of course, from 3 to 8, 5 solid hours. So I think say
Nisika so
Nisika so come
betima lead to duabo.
Of course. Marunya botre.
Obe was organizers no
I think the problem ni na so e bia ya na show no mu jama organizers e wo ho no but I think the BBC because so nya team free Ghana e mo mokwe bia a month or a week before no mo yen to before be ba wa ba I think say nkanema we nyina emma
animu ya Stone Boy or program bizana
yeah
a bit more affecting in a way
I think say it was so soon be free
a bit more suan lessons nyina but still a bit more affecting and go back say oh shatter dey you there Samini dey Stone Boy dey a bit ebema ebenyansu so Stone Boy
a bit menyansu so also because first one nipa no ya cancel no Samini dey ya cancel no what is the possibility say me call beam dey na yen cancel no that is one but ni nyina echi all in all obi o die hard fan of Stone Boy no come rain or shine obeba but made the mechanic say
and share attendance on funny tickets obeka say obeba na fi eno no so na ya ma hoye overcrowded no
but I think say BBC and Stone Boy na so pay because I simply no e wo se usunya bibi na hu kwan abefa so abe ni
e da make say obetima suya ye ka say wo suya de obesuya bia ba ono na o abro chire ho no no say UK a ono o no na hu say e say na to asumi no anything no what shows says Stone Boy there no enye the same thing
nti e was say woman wo motia say put in strict measures on say measures be the big welcome na e be favor be en favor be so let them know say if you come there without a ticket you won't have access to the entrance
take it no on top because so he say what to even say what to take it no if it is Samini dey say go for baho with take it but say o man timi anya program na amaso
it is because say ebi mu nkra ticket aye mo baho because I think say ticket holders and kwa enyo crowded sa moment say nipa 10 krampo show ne be baso well you person obabia a week before get your ticket
honest story
you can so be a transfer what you say?
They be
a transgender.
Be mentally.
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
Because be a transgender. Not just a transgender. You be a not just a or bar or done home bema bibisa.
Or your bar.
Yes.
And now all done in home bema. So or dresses a bema na.
The private part no.
Private part.
So ye bema ne bema no obetimi akwa me ye flow man
me won kameti ase a me ma on kasa bebre but me nti ase ne de me mu achirim enti se me bisa wa ya me ma enye te se bia na feti calm down na fe ye den chire me mu
I understand I get you oba obetimi ma ya kata ne ba no se ne ama ne bema Nijina so near mama and Ruby ne some Ruby or no man body be transform. Yes, you bet me.
Say you make katani.
Yes, a surgery, a process I didn't film near yine bar nephew near man bema. Or your bearman so you bet me chan bearman no near man or bar. Yes, sanity.
Uncle for ye.
I'm for ye.
Unimo bia
I will be social media so yes but personally me nimbisa but I've seen some on social media
so a bema
yeah
na or can bema for said okay as a or travel with a thing I think so was said or mo
faso ye no yes
but in conclusion we
travel
and now
or bar kind be e wona
the advisor or yes I we are so abeyoba these are nipa bi e bia we betimi aware
oh me dear me nware bisa
what dey
say naturally o say naturally no nyame ebo ma sene omotie but say what artificial okope kwa bi say wo down
okoye no so adane oba yi
adinti awokoye nyame nim ni nti obo obema adinti awoko down ho ba nyame nim ni nti obo oba adinti awoko down ho bema
wo ade obi ayi bia na obi ayi bi
obi na ase e allergy atete sem na manfo keka se ne ba bia
KK
di bana
oh KK di bana
who say one a popular renowned and veteran media personnel and a manfo say no so buy a trans also one what is answer now oh hane kra also so we ya wo for obetimi guide o bana but enye bibia na obetimi control bi wo so okoto dwanim na obompa se be nyame be
ye nkura ne de ba unya mu nyina pe
akra be kama man say ya nyame o nya wo modemo ya na meka
oh de ne kakra
yes kakra be ya kai nyame 70-30
ja anti KK decision
nti o say o ne buy trans inchi dey
about your daughter what about your son as well
yeah my son Kweku me pana sempa hey
stories were out there that he was into you know what
no Kweku is trans so what
yes
he's trans so what he's a grown man.
Doesn't that worry you? People saying, "Oh, your son is gay. He's trans. He's doing this, and it's not our culture." Look at what.
Tell those.
How do you?
No, it doesn't bother me. All I do is I deal with what I have control over. The things I have no control over, I go on my knees and I pray about. You see, parents are shepherds.
KK deserves in the banner trans
but Ghana for Kasao ebi ko bi ono no kasa ne ba na big time arm robber bi
why there was a car
oh tally
but
yes still
na adi we dey
o can na dey
and they also worry na dey
oh no say eno ya me personal decision
and me so me personal decision
talk about yourself why do you talk about somebody
onim
why oh ena ne ba enim from so wo ne ho I say Ghana for no home ye selective sinners
odonim
boni anipa ne ye no onjeje amanfo ho da de ono wonye no no ojeje afoforo ba de ono no ye nice wa kata no so
okay o de man nkasa about this match ye enko the next story
the next one who say last week me de beto atiefu anim say eye kwa master Nigeria wenya baby crow Beverly Afaglo ban na twese over the weekend ena ye kosie ne ye na ye na no ena na sofo no we ye na se no kwa master buy na twese unse o ware ayese age owuo ena betete muntem anase bia oba na bi ma na fa wechi eno no kra opa wona ne betena na twese ye kosie ne ne o se aware no ye titim ema obi afa ne kwan nti na twese sofo no bompa ye titi awarem na ayare hosem kakra the choir master pa utumi se be ma yemre
otini so my yen feel kakra
yenko
SOMPA FM
we would go through the vows and break the marriage officially and after here.
We should then sound no clear, but we should call master na Osu.
Yeah. So we'll be pair on the call YouTube.
Yeah.
On search SOMPA FM live
on YouTube.
On subscribe my na. We'll be full video na. Now I'm running to quickly. Oforian Ponsa.
Yeah.
And our chema nenyoma ya tudi odonyum. Odonyum no remix. No was say on this Stonebwoy eko full plane. Na omo flights ba come na komodidie mu na o catch Stonebwoy so enyum no kra mpo pe so ye remix na o so kan ya pe na Stonebwoy ka so enyum no kra ye ne depa enti remix na obey an own feature no
so Stonebwoy ya da nyum no
yes so ya da nyum no and ye can sometimes I was so lobby nya brebia na ato ne afro so bra na me feature sometimes so tu anamo so o tesa no one opportunity and on this Stonebwoy but already no our plans or no the kid better so that and until no we can send him a kid recording it but Stonebwoy that guest no emaned beto nyum ne so
Oforian Ponsa yes no raise
years ago. And so I did a song. I just went to the studio and, re-recorded the song. And then, it was there, thinking about somebody to do it with. And then we just met Stonebwoy. We were on a flight together. And so we met Stonebwoy and we were talking about the song. And he said, Charlie, this song is a song that I like. I said, I'm remixing it. He said, then give it to me. So that's all. That's how we did it.
Connection like that.
Yeah.
And then what was the Kiddie connection?
Kiddie too.
Oforian Ponsa as a mic.
Yeah. I think say
all these stories in this I'm watching research or SOMPA drive no so na.
But na dey mama gospel.
Nyash ne dey say no. But if I my
lover of Nyash, but me so I'm a lover of the gospel.
Nyash dey ope. Jai ba kono ma me Nyash e odia.
The hena me jama.
Yo, nti SOMPA 106.1 FM Teachman no numu na abo apa emu nti SOMPA 106.5 FM akra akwa hot bite kase bono. E dey abro me din and the systematic press. Oti my G update baba nkan obre update no. Eben ne Kole ebo production no. Yen konko fa kase bono.